Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to install GNS3, install VMware Player, then open your VM image, open with VM Player. Okay, you're going to transfer and everything. Once you've done that, then you're going to start your VM. Machine. Once you start it, it's going to look like this, and it's going to give you an IP address of 192 whatever. What you're going to do is you're going to type all these into a web browser. It's going to look like this. Okay. Column 8000, that's your port, and upload to upload the images. Then you're going to browse for your Linux images, IOU images. Okay, this is layer 2 switch, this is layer 3 router. Okay, this one is only 60 megabytes. Let's do this one first. Upload. It's going to take a while. Okay, first image has been uploaded. Okay, then you go ahead and do the second one. Okay, right now this is uploading. It's going to take a while, so let's do something else. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's open up GNS3. Don't show again, close. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Let's go to preferences and let's go to iOS and Unix. So we need a license file. Okay, that's good. You might want to copy these to a folder like a desktop or download where you know it's not going to get moved, because if it gets moved and you open your images, it's going to give you an error code. This is only for Linux, whatever, I don't care. So let's do a new image. Remote server. That's the IP address of your VM machine. This is your remote server. This is going to be the router. Okay, so this is going to be for the router. Okay, layer 3 image. Okay, that looks like a router. Let's do the switch now. Okay. This is your Linux folder location for that image. If you want to remove it, I'll show you later how to do that. Okay, let's edit the router because I don't need 2 ether, I just need 1 and 2 serials. Okay, so here we're good. Let's do an iOS image. Let's do the 3700. It's not an ether switch. Actually, no, not yet. 1 fast, 2 fast Ethernets, 2 serial interfaces. Let's do another one, an ether switch router. Okay, we're good. Let's do a ASA firewall. Okay, let's go to edit, and we're gonna get rid of command line and options. And what we're gonna do is, here's your command line settings and your option settings. Okay, applied. Okay, and let's see. Upload images, set up GNS3 with iOS. Oh, license. Let's do the license. Okay, I already have it there, but you can just browse for it. You need to put it in a folder that is not going to get moved. Otherwise, if that file gets moved, you're going to get an error message. So you're going to have to come back and find that license file. Alright, so let's do the ether switch. Okay. Let's do the router, iOS router, and ASA. Okay. Let's start with the switch. Start. Okay, so far so good. Alright, so the switch started normally, which is a good sign. Okay, let's stop that. Let's do iOS router, which is much faster. Okay, so that's working fine. Now here's a problem. If I try to connect, I'm going to start this one again. If I try to connect this one here with this one here, you get an error message because both remote and local server are in different subnets. What you need to do is put them on the same subnet. I'll show you that later. Actually, let me just do it right now. All you got to do is change this to the same subnet as your remote server, which is the 192.168.52.1. That would be on the same subnet as your remote server. Once you do that, it's gonna like restart the server and you should be able to connect them. Okay, let's do the firewall now. Oh, not good. Not good. Look at that. Connection refused. Error message. Alright, let's get out of here. Start again. Okay, let me change the remote and the local server to be in the same subnet. If I do IOU switch with an iOS image, I should be able to connect them now. There you go. Okay, firewall. Okay, not good. My computer's so slow. Okay, so I did a system log off, logged back in, started the firewall, and Camu came up, which is good. So let's minimize that and open a console. And the firewall is loading up just normally, which is good. So what else do we got? Set up firewall and config, which we did. Test everything, which we did. So everything should be fine. You have Linux-based images of switch and router, iOS image of a router, and the ASA firewall. You could also do like JunOS if you want. The image is kind of big. It's like a couple of gigs. Yeah, 2 gigs. Would you like to copy? No. Let's test it out. See if it works. Firewall. Takes a while to load. JunOS, basically the same as the firewall. Probably gonna have to log off, log back in, and it should work after that. ASA still loading. Okay, firewall still loading. It's been a while, so just give it a minute or two, maybe 2 minutes. There it is. Okay, system log off, log back in. JunOS is working. It's loading. And that takes a while to load also. Okay, if you have any questions, hit me up, I guess. I'll do my best.